Hey Lion-O, look at your sword. Mine gives me powers, yours makes me bored. Thunder, thunder, Thundercats no, does nothing for me on your boring ass show.
The Sword of Omen, I'll bend to that. Mine gives me visions, yours falls flat. What does it do besides give you a tan? Take off your clothes and make you He-Man. Your face is the same, but your voice gets deeper. Don't knock my show, boy, yours is the sleeper.
I got a battle cat, you have a pussy. My tiger roars and yours is a wussy. What's a snarf anyway? Nobody knows and nobody cares because your show blows.
Hey He-Man, what are you smoking? Look at your posse, you must be joking. Orko's a dorko, you must be insane. His magic's much worse than Chris Angel and David Blaine. And Skeletor's a bitch, Mummer's got power. Thank Thundera, your show is only a half hour.
30 minutes was your show too. I lifted buildings, what did you do? I have the power, you have the fleas. Keep your cats away, I don't want a disease. Besides, Lion-O, where's your tick collar? I don't want the limes, you all hear me? Holler. What do cats do besides nap all day, lick their ass all day? To me that sounds gay.
Talk about gay, look at your shirt, look at your tights, they make my eyes hurt. You're so flaming, you're setting off alarms. Tila's not your bitch. It's Man-at-Arms.
Okay, Lion-O, you wanna be real? You're an orange feline with no sex appeal. Look at my muscles, I'm not afraid to show it. You're just a string bean, I'm sexy and I know it.